Alright, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing some more stream fishing for smallmouth and trout. And I'm going to see if I can find some crayfish to use for bait. Let's do it. That's a little big. I'm going to try this one right here. Alright guys, that's 6-pound monofilament on a 1000 size spinning reel. It's a pretty good setup for what I'm going to be doing. Here's one. Got one. Another smallmouth. There's one. Holy shit. Holy shit, I just snagged a fucking beaver. Got one. That could be a trout. Nope. Smallmouth. But look over there. There's a big koi fish. That's pretty sick. Pretty cool. Oh. Slipped. That micro bass or what? Start heading back this way now. I think I got a really small one on. Yep. Hey, first largemouth of the day. Not necessarily large, but I haven't caught one of these guys in this spot yet. Bye-bye, buddy. There's one. Another very small one. Another largemouth. Bye. But he's scared. No, I didn't want to catch you. No. You're cool. Alright guys, that's going to be it. If you liked the video, make sure you drop a like. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.